Grandpa.
Nice to meet
Hello.
you, Miss Morris.
I've been hearing about you.
That's
Can I
awesome.
see your class?
How are you? You too. I haven't seen you in a while. So our family projects are here. Sophia's is up here.
Oh, Sophia's is up there, Mama.
And then you guys are more than welcome to come inside.
you.
Her desk, that's the end of the year folder, so no taking home.
Okay, no.
But the hat and the heart, yes, and you can look through it.
So cute.
And then I gave them little treats with the balloon with their name.
So cute. Thank you. What a great job. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
You know, everyone's like always in work mode.
Yes, they're up.
Yep.
Don't have time.
Yep. Sophie, let's show Grandpa where you sit. Grandpa's hand.
What are they cooking?
Smells good.
Yeah, hot dogs and all this good stuff.
Where's your chair? Show Grandpa where your chair is. What is that? Let's open your folder. Can you show us what's in your pink folder?
You sit next to Gianna.
Open it. Keep turning the pages. Oh,
isn't that
Mommy. This is all your work, Sofia. ¿Qué es eso, mamá?
That's
Avion.
beautiful. Look at the A's. Oh my goodness. She gets a lot of work, my Sophie. See, Valentina, your sister at school? Look at she's young.
Hi, Cookies. Hi, Cookies. Hi.
And you trace all those, baby? All the letters? That's beautiful, honey.
Is that the video from the performance?
From last year.
Oh, not this year.
Not this
okay.
year. But that's just a little glimpse of if they
Yeah.
participate for this year.
Right.
Of what they will be doing. Like different songs, of course.